Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide subscriber on your YouTube channel. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in youtube.com and press enter. Now you will be taken into the YouTube website, from which if you haven't already signed into your account, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner, which you can click on and then log in to your YouTube channel account. Once you are logged into your account, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on view your channel. You will then be taken into your channel page, from which you can click on customize channel. You will now be taken into the YouTube Studio page. Now in order to customize your channel, click on the settings option at the bottom left corner. From the settings page, click on channel and then click on advanced settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on manage YouTube account. You will now be taken into your YouTube account manage page, from which you will need to click on privacy from the left option. And now from the privacy page, you can turn off the subscriptions toggle, which will make all your subscriptions private, which means no one else will be able to see it. And now you can come back to this menu as many times as you want to change your subscriber visibility settings based on your requirement. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off your subscriber view on your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.